Good morning. Hello. It is Coach Laudiaann Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is October the 12th, 2020, and the time is 4:30 in the morning. And I'm from California, so it's not sunny out yet, but it will be in a few hours. I'm a night owl because I'm used to working nights, okay, at my regular job. I just left a full-time job, now working a part-time job. So I'm working less and less hours now, so that I can actually do my business online. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. All right. And I wanted to show you this, my back office in my studio. I'm on my YouTube channel. I'm at the studio. I'm going to show you this. I've already clicked into it, but go to the monetization. It's actually going to show you the current watch time hours that you have. So I have 287 public watch hours, okay? And that took a lot. All right, 4,000 is required. Now, 4,000 is equal to 240,000 watch hours. That is a lot. Okay, this is the one that we need to work on, is our hours. 240,000 watch hours is a lot of hours, guys. So, in 2 months, I got 287. So, probably in the next almost 2 months, it will double that. It will be close to probably 600. And then, probably by December, I will have my 1,000, public watch hours. It'll be 1,000 something. But if I'm persistent and consistent, that is what my result is going to be when I participate 3 times in a group a day, which I usually do. I participate 3 times, try to put in 6 hours of my watch time hours a day, because I want to grow my channel and I want to get this, okay? And you have to push yourself. You got to really commit, okay? A lot of the members here that are participating in the Wesley Virgin's monetization program is actually committed. These people are committed. They're serious about their channel. They're serious about branding themselves. And we are all millionaires, okay? We join Wesley Virgin's courses because we want to be self-employed. We want to be financial free. And we want to live that lifestyle of a millionaire, right? So in order to do that, you have to commit, you have to grow, you can't quit. All right, anybody that's participated in Wesley Virgin and doing step by step what he says is gonna become a millionaire. All right, and we are not quitters. None of us are quitters here. We're all growing our channel. All right, I have 80 subscribers right now, which is great. But I'm going to show you guys just a quick view of the Vidiq. See where you see the Vidiq. It's very important that you guys download it because it gives you the accurate hours that you are making for the YouTube program. See, 287 up here, 287 down here. Okay, so I'm going to do this really quick, guys, because I have a lot to do. My achievements, you're going to see my achievements stats of 10 days later. I have now 25,000 views, okay? You guys want more views? You got to link your YouTube channel. You got your videos on your YouTube, all right? You link and share it to all social media, all right, for more exposure. More exposure for more views. And if you have video ads, okay? Because a lot of us have the Wesley Virgin where advertising is video ads. That's a way of us making money, okay? I got this link right here, this video. This is not where they set up, this is a campaign video ad that I created. Somebody sent me the link from the back office of the Dom for You services. They sent me his link. So I took his link and I went to his YouTube channel, downloaded this video off his YouTube channel, uploaded to my computer. Then I uploaded to my YouTube channel, and then I took that link off my YouTube channel, and then I went to Google Ads, created my own campaign, and use that link on my campaign. All right, because when I do that, then it connects to my channel. So I have the views credited on my own channel. Okay. Right now I have my Google Ads on pause right now, but I stopped it for like 6 days ago. So it's 8,000. If I didn't stop it, it'd probably be above that. But there's reasons why I stopped it, because I want to learn something about Google Ads, and I'm actually probably gonna activate it again today. But that is my stats. Also my watch hours, 800 watch hours, current October 11, 2020. Last month was 421.2 hours watched in the end of September. So it has doubled. Okay, and you can see. All right. I do, my comments are growing, my likes are growing. Everything is growing in my channel by participating in Wesley Virgin's monetization program. And I am so excited. Guys, these are my stats right now. Get excited. I'm excited for the new people that have joined this program. Get excited. If you don't know how to do stuff online, you can come back to my channel. I show you how to upload videos. I show you how to download videos. Not that many people can do that, but I actually make videos like that. So connect with me and watch my videos often. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. You guys have a blessed day. Take care of yourself and grow and grow and commit and commit and keep growing, excelling and doing. Be persistent. Don't quit, and stick with your mindset. Okay. So important. Okay. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Bye for now.